Imagine never paying another dime for hosting, video storage, or funnel builders, yet having unlimited domains, unlimited websites, unlimited funnels, unlimited storage, and unlimited video hosting, all for a tiny one-time fee. Welcome to Infinite Suite. For years, companies like GoDaddy, HostGator, Dropbox, Vimeo, and ClickFunnels have been draining your wallet with sky-high monthly fees. But those days are over. With Infinite Suite, you can host unlimited websites, build unlimited funnels, store unlimited files, and run it all on blazing fast Intel Xeon-powered servers forever. No recurring payments, no limits, no headaches. 20 times faster loading speed with enterprise-grade servers, free SSL certificates and ironclad security, unlimited bandwidth and personalized emails, 100% uptime with automated daily backups, beginner-friendly dashboard, no tech skills needed. On average, Infinite Suite users save over $1,000 every year by ditching outdated hosting platforms. Getting started takes just 3 steps. Log in to our secure cloud dashboard. Choose your service, website, funnel, or storage. Launch and manage everything with one click. It's that simple. This is a limited time offer. Once it's gone, it's gone. Right now, you're getting lifetime access to Infinite Suite for just $15 one time. That's it. No monthly fees, no hidden costs. And because we want you to succeed, you'll also unlock 10 fast action bonuses designed to help you get even faster results. And the best part? You're completely protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee. So you risk nothing. The price is increasing every hour, so don't wait. Click the button below now and lock in your copy of Infinite Suite at this insanely low one-time fee.